Welcome to the Spartan Machinery, the name behind India's most advanced construction solutions. At Spartan, precision isn't just a promise, it's our process. Every machine we create is born from a fusion of smart automation, German vibration engineering, and high-pressure hydraulics, delivering bricks and blocks with unmatched accuracy, strength, and consistency. With fully automatic systems, robotic arms, and PLC touch controls, we turn labor-intensive processes into smooth, intelligent operations, minimizing manpower while maximizing output. From fly ash bricks to curb stones, from startups to mega projects, the Spartan Machinery powers your progress with future-ready machines built to deliver results from day one. This is not just industrial machinery. This is Spartan, the power of precision at your command.